Alma Del Mar, we believe that all scholars can meet and exceed the expectations we have for them so that they can go to the high schools and the colleges of their choice and be successful beyond their experience here at Alma.
High demand for our teachers as well in this building. We set a very high bar for the quality of instruction here at Alma Del Mar. We have really long school days. We ask a lot of our teachers, both instructionally and curricularly, because we want the best quality instruction in front of our scholars every single day.